Alright. Let's just hop right into it and start this daily stream, I guess. I'm trying to stream more often so I can get that Twitch big bucks. Cause you know me, trying to get those Twitch big bucks. Cause I like those Twitch big bucks. Cause those Twitch big bucks are scrumptious. Why was I looking down? So, in my last stream, you'd know from my Twitch. If you were watching that day, which nobody probably was because it's not a weekend. Or was it? You wouldn't know. Well, you actually would, because if you looked at it, if you looked at the day and then calculated, whatever. What was that lag spike? Oh my god. Yeah, so if you looked at that day and calculated today, you would probably be able to figure out that it was not on a weekend.
Need some steel, do ya?
But was it really not on a weekend? I will argue. Was it really not on a weekend, though? I need to know. I'm not sure of myself anymore. Please tell me. What element is this? Bounce. It's just bouncy element. That's my favorite element. The bouncy element. Only purple fairy ore are good weapons. Oh yeah. I think I have a Skulldugger as my, well, the Skulldugger is like, it's one of my favorite classes. Cause yeah, I knew it. It's a Skulldugger. It's just fire. Oh cool, another key. A ring. Yeah. I'm not an idiot. Someone is. Not me, though. What is this? Oh, it's just legendary loot that it forced me to pick up because it's legendary. Yep, let's scroll down so we can find my stuff. Alright. So... Rogue Imp of Alarm. What should we reforge it with? Oh. This thing needs a reforge. Because we all like an escalating Tide Sorrow. Lament of the Seas. We all like those. Unless you don't, then I guess you're probably alone. Alright. The Death Blade. This basically just doubles your weapon's damage if it doesn't have one. Which it usually won't. So if it's not enchanted, you should enchant it. This one's not enchanted. Oh my god, we need it. We need it. Look at this beautiful, look at this beauty. This beauty right here. And that pretty much, that's more than double damage. What? We're gonna reforge this. Hell yeah. That shit has been reforged. I think I'm allowed to say that. I'm pretty sure. Alright, send me away, Dragon Lord. I think I have to talk to you first, actually. Hey, Dragon Lord. Send me back in. Boing! I love jumping through portals. And no, it does not teleport you when you just jump through it. I'm ultra gamer.
Piss off to the hereafter!
What's this? I don't have shards. What? That doesn't... What's the point of that? Ow, stop hitting me. Please. Please stop me, Taylor. Wyvern. I need to run around. I see the point now. I get it. Just Danny DeVito, I get it. Too bad I don't want to edit this, so it's going on my Tom's channel. Not that I have an actual channel. Oh no. Not the Harrier.
Can't wait to throw some spells!
No. No, stop this. Stop this tomfoolery. Stop it now. No, the tomfoolery. No, stop this. I love exploding people. I can explode you. Apparently, these are the real questions that we should be asking ourselves. Can I really? Can I everything just gets shredded by this guy. Oh my god, I'm so glad that I picked this up. Ah! Shadow Clone, die. Ah! Why can't I use my action skill? What the heck is going on? My action... It's glitched. My action skill is glitched.
I'll give you a good...
No! What the fuck is throwing those? What? No! Oh shit, why is... The stream thing is fucked up too. What's going on? Why didn't it change to Tiny Tina's?
The fearsome dragon returns, eh?
Alright, there we go. Finally. Clear the encounter? What? Why did it put me back in? What the heck? Stray dragon or stuff? Well, don't mind if I do so myself. I'm sure you won't, because you don't care. The game doesn't care, right? Fuck, it's the Wyvern Bombers. I knew it. It's the freaking Wyvern Bombers. Perish. Perish by my hand. And lightning storm. Ow. This combo is so annoying though.
No one gets rid of me that easy! This is the most annoying combo.
This is literally the most annoying combo that they could do. The bombers and those fucking guys. Perish. Perish, Wyvern Bomber. Nobody likes you. Yeah. Get out of here. Forever. I hope you die in a hole. Sending the dragon one step. sure that my melee actually does damage because I recharged it. Don't, don't. No! What? I hate it when this happens. It sucks so much. Why? They should make it so that when you finish an encounter, or if there are just no enemies alive, then you don't perish from that, you get revived. Because if there's no enemies alive, and the boss isn't about to do a summon, why? Alright, I think we're gonna roguelite. Because we're gamer. Yeah, we're rogueliting.
This should be interesting.
No longer save your soul before dying. All enemies drop health potions upon death. Huh. Which portal do we enter? I'm thinking this one. We're not doing any clean writing today. Oh, this guy is. Oh no. Stay back, Foul Beast. No, Foul Beast, stay back. Headshots and it blows him up. No flame riding anymore. Kaboom. Yeah, step into my force field for death. Go ahead. You're fine. You're fine, little buddy. Wait, because you're stupid. Get cursed. Oh wait, he's also resistant to that. What are they not resistant to? Are goblins just resistant? No, they're not. They're not just resistant to it. Stop. Now. What? Who do you think you are? You think you can intrude on my domain? Get back here. Doink, doink, doink. Perish. Burn. 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 Ow. Damn, Bobby.
That's what I need.
No, no.
See what happens?
Nope, none of that. Give me health. Yep. Okay, so roguelite. This is pretty fun. Yeah, I like that. Bruh. Alright, let's see, what do I have to delete forever? None of that. 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 I'm just dropping the stuff that I don't like. And I don't like a lot of the stuff that I have in my inventory. Why don't I sell it? Because I can't be bothered to go to the shop. If there is one. I can't even be bothered to find it. That's how cool I am. OMG, horsey. Alright, I'm thinking we just save up our stuff for the end. Finish enemies with melee damage. Thought I killed... No, I didn't kill that one guy with it. I didn't. I'm lying to myself. Alright, let's see. What portal are we going into? I'm saying this one. We're making it elite. Hell yeah. Let's go. Come out! Come out! Buh. 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 Oh, no, I hate the crabs. I hate these crabs. Doink! I thought you could ground pound them. I thought you could ground pound them to get them out of the ground.
Good for what ails you. Now that's the good stuff.
Boom! Boom! Wait, why is it immune? Ow. Oh yeah, I forgot roguelite. I did not have enough damage output for that. Yeah, I underestimated that. I thought it was gonna be easy, like a bunch of the rest of the stuff in this. Perish by my hand.
So I died.
Ow.
Might live if you'd run.
Go.
Yeah, just as we practiced. Hope you carry your coin. I don't
Oh, it's
kill
cursed,
for
that's
free.
Let me out of here! Let me out of here! Stole my stones. You got both. Please don't kill me again. I would like to not die. Scary. Can I please not? Would you not? Buddy? Buddy? Would you not? Buddy old pal? It's a force field against the defense. I did not know that. Why is it allowed to fire that much? Why? No. Get back. Get back. What?
Back by popular demand.
Watch this. I was expecting it to drop all of it. Wait, this is the piece that I didn't want. That's how much you can store? Really, dude? Okay, so you're telling me I should have a frost weapon in my loadout? 'Cause a bunch of enemies have white health bars? Well then, I guess I'll have to get a frost weapon then. It's too bad I threw all of my weapons out. So I do like my brrrrrr, that's curse damage, and I also like my black powder shotgun. But I like my shotgun more. So upon finding a good frost weapon, that is Orpal. Because we only use Orpal or legendary weapons. Because I'm styling on. Doink! You gotta style on your enemies. Like, that's the only way to beat them up. The only real way. Because I'm an ultra gamer who's gaming. Kaboom. Wow. Kaboom. Another one. Alright, let's go. I have so much ammo for my pistol though. Like, it's just... I can pretty much just main the pistol. I don't need to do anything else. I can just use the pistol. The mega piss. Dole. Let me in the shrine. I want to do whatever people do in the shrine. If I get someone who comments on stream, I will change my character. But only if they comment that they want me to do that. Or if someone just comments in my YouTube comment where I'm posting this as a VOD. Go check that out. It's Pickle VODs. Yep. What the frick is that, like, blood sacrifice thing? Did I just blow up? Why am I exploding shit with my elbow? I don't know, 'cause I can. Wouldn't anybody explode shit with their elbow if they could? 'Cause if you can explode shit with your elbow, why wouldn't you? That's the real question here. Why wouldn't you? I think I've gotten all of the side quests that are here. But just to make sure, for all my splendid viewers, why did that not hit the first time, but then hit the second time, which was way off? Can I explode this sign? Let me explode you. Let me explode you. Seems I can't explode the sign. Rude. Not intuitive game design. Like, why can't I explode everything? Don't tell me to go play a different game because I want to explode everything. I want to explode everything in this masterfully crafted game. Why can I do that? I don't know. I forgot what side quest I had to do for it.
Ooh, what's going up?
There are 22 lucky die in the overworld. Huh. Well, looks like I know what I'm doing for this VOD. Actually don't know what I'm doing for this VOD. I don't have anything planned out. Nothing is planned. None of it. Not even playing this game. I could switch to anything at any time. And forget that I'm recording. And be like, oh yeah, I'm recording.
Oh, that's one lucky die.
What is this
This
shrine?
shrine is dedicated to Throtus Punches,
Throtus Punches?
patron
Oh,
god of critical
I love
hits.
critical hits. Critical hits are great. And I get critical hits every time I shoot something, so...
Getting a real contains a shrine piece
Oh.
vibe from that dungeon over yonder.
Scrumptious. Looks like I need to go in here. Encounter start. Or like bone shattering time. Who wants to have their kneecaps shattered this time? Is it you, Toxic Lump? What the heck is that?
Could a cat have done that?
Is that an elephant mushroom? With neurotoxins? Oh no, it's a crab.
This world's no place for the weak.
It's a crab that has a throat pincer. That's disgusting. I don't ever want to say that again. But do I really?
It's kinda... This fight's been worth my time.
His flame. Ow. Damn it, Bobby. Where are the rest of them? That's... I don't feel good about that. That was just instant explosion. Ow! I was looking at the gun.
Let's get cooking, little
Get out of here.
cinder.
Oh, no, stay back. They get popped by my passive. That's how you get. Yes, walk directly into the orb of death. A very great idea. What can you possibly do? Yep, just walk through the walk through the orb. And that actually should have does more damage if they walk through the orb. But it looks like
Ready
it
to
does good
bring the
damage, so
arcane pain?
I'm baiting them to have them walk through the orb. If it became stupid, I should be using this gun. But I'm an idiot. And I like my exploding bullets. Don't blame me. Don't do it. I'll blame you back. Blame battle.
Can't wait to barbecue some bastards.
Fire in my fire! Oh yeah, this gun is way better for this. Hey, just fire. Oh wait. I remember now. I remember. I forgot to equip the thing. I forgot to equip an action skill. So. What?
Magic story!
Good jumps. Right. Alright.
When you're ready, hold out the ovens!
Alright. Oh, I can't even write it. Yeah, get rid
This'll come in handy.
Wait. That's what I should be aiming at. So it stops spawning the fucking crab.
You tell them I'm coming.
Stop throwing your babies at me. Stop it. Stop throwing them. Stop throwing babies at me. Stop it. Oh, the trickeries.
There's the burning little bugger.
Did it? They're learning. Can I get a health potion? Can I get a health potion? Is that a health potion? No. It's a cocoa bean. There's onions. That sounds like a conspiracy that Alex Jones is on the murderous onions.
Who's the alpha now, eh? Ready to cast.
I hate it when I already know that. When I already know the loot. God damn it. God damn it. What did I get? Garbage. It's not purple. Meaning it's not good. Only take stuff if it's purple or orange. Cause rarity. Get out of here. That's what those are? Ah!
That's for
They
making
just get
me
exploded
look.
instantly. I think I'm just gonna pop those with my melee. Oh wait, no, no. Yeah, I like that.
Just what I needed.
Where am I throwing my hammer? Let's see. Right at you. Polarized. Ah! Get out of here. Oh damn.
Ready to incinerate some
The
bad guys, are
graphics.
ya?
Sweet 3D effects. Why does that have Pierce? Why does my cursed shotgun have Pierce? This is unfair. It has pierce, and it has unfair range as a shotgun.
Here comes the thunder.
Nah, no. Forgot that it's a singularity. Ow. Ow. Ugh.
A shrine piece.
Ow. 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 Ow.
Oh, you want a shrine piece? You want a shrine piece? You get a shrine piece.
Shrines. What if I just got all of the shrines? Let's see. Myth rank. What is that? Level 40. I love it. I love it. Wait, we can world map. Alright, so that's the Osikal Necropolis, right? All the way back here, Mount Craw. Okay, so that's where we killed the demon. Well, the ghostly ghoul. This is where we got Torg. This is Brighthoof, Queen's Gate, where we entered the game, and it basically did the combat tutorial. Seabed. Oh yeah, this is the ocean that we nuked. This is further into the ocean that we nuked. Tangle Drift, that's where I threw a evil bean. Then I killed a bunch of people. Pirate Beach, that's where we helped Pirate Man. Karnok's Wall. What do we do here? We exorcised a demon. Wait, no, he wasn't a demon. He was just he's a ex-cursed sorcerer. So we could get a curse. So we could dispel curses. Sunfang Oasis, yeah, that's where we killed evil lady. Alright. Wait, is there like a thing that I can see? Is it in journal? Shrines. Alright. Yeah. Let's go. So where's Grandana? Huh. I was expecting more shrines. I don't know why. Borderlands games are just so fun, though. You know I got it. Come on. Let me break the game. Can I break the game from this side? It seems not. Bad. Why am I breaking that? To break it. Are there any entrances to the land of up there? I actually suddenly don't care anymore, so I'm gonna go over here.
That dungeon over there mayhaps contains...
Well, you You know I like my shrine pieces.
No quarter. Still time to run the other way.
Extinguished. He's gonna extinguish me. Help me. Bro got singularity.
What ails you?
Bop. Got Let's have a sword fight.
I never get tired of that.
I don't think you're gonna be in there. You don't want to be down here, you know. Both are bad. Hey. No dumping.
Lightning speed.
Hey there.
Looks like magic's back on the menu.
Come help me, or you You think you're better than me? Huh?
Let's have a sword fight. You don't want a sword fight?
You shall have extra peanut butter this night.
Buddy. Oh, you wanna have a sword fight? Let's have a sword fight. Oh no, you got carried into the singularity. That's quite sad. Butthead, I was killing crew. Second encounter, let's go. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Sword fight! Sword fight! Goddamn. Don't bring a sword to a hammer battle. Or a gun to a hammer battle. I'll hit you in the face with a hammer. Where are you evil guys?
Piss off to the hereafter.
I love just instantly exploding them. It's like, that one Zelda game that didn't get too much popularity. This is like if Borderlands was a beat-em-up that was D&D themed, and also a beat-em-up.
I would run if I were you.
Let's go through walls. That isn't the answer to my question. It does in fact go through walls.
And a fine roast you'll make.
Quartermaster. You're not mastering any quarters. Oh my god, the pirate.
Let's get casting and blasting.
Oh. I guess this is the last one. Oh yeah, this better be the last one. I'm gonna get somebody. Make it the last one. No! Hammer! I hate these guys. I hate the guys.
You knew what this was.
This suck. What exploded me? What prompted me to explode? I need to know. Somebody tell me. Did I just get the enemy exploding effect or something? That sounds like something we do. Oh, it's these
As
fuckers.
it was foretold! I'm getting the hang of this killing business.
I'm dead. Am I like just not taking enough? Cause I've pretty much max ward. I mean, I have Stab-O-Mancer on, so. Oh, this isn't much better, so. You know, I think this was a pretty good stream. I'm gonna end it here. Goodbye.